guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be, as promised, I don't know if I promised you, but I told you I wanted to do a home haul, in which I just did a home haul. It was part of Holiday Me. I will link it up in the corner. It was a really good one. You should watch it. It was super cute. It wasn't all Christmas. It wasn't even really any Christmassy stuff. It was just kind of like winter stuff. But this will hopefully be my last home haul for a while. I'm not promising anything. But I am getting married this year and we are in the process of registering, so I'm trying to just stop buying home stuff because I know that's majorly, I always want to use that word but I don't think it exists. The majority of what you get for your wedding is home stuff, which I'm very excited about. Which, like I said, I'm in the process of registering. If you have a specific item, a specific tip on registering, please leave it down below in a comment. I asked you guys on Instagram, just in my Instagram stories, if you have any suggestions. I'm getting a lot of good ones, but I'm getting a lot of like generic ones, like kitchen appliances, but like I want specific items, brands, like as specific as you can get. I don't know. I've gotten a lot of good ideas from you guys and it's just like really overwhelming. I'm obviously really excited to be registering and get presents, but like there's so much stuff and you don't know what's good and you don't know what you'll wish you had, and like I just feel like this is a once in a lifetime moment and I don't want to do it wrong, you know? So I am doing plenty of research, looking into plenty of places to register. Got off on a tangent. The point of that was to ask you for help, but to also say I need to stop buying home crap because I'm gonna get a bunch of home gifts in the future and I have too much. I'm also in the process of decluttering the entire house, which I've also been talking about on Instagram stories, and you guys have been asking for videos. I might try to do a video on some. I will be doing a video on my organizing of my everyday makeup drawer because I got a lot of requests for that, so I'm just gonna do it on camera for you guys. But as far as the other stuff, I don't know. I've already decluttered most of the bedroom, and I just declutter better when I'm not filming it, you know? I'm just like really cutthroat and ruthless, but we'll see. Maybe I'll vlog the process or something. But okay, this was the longest intro to say I bought some crap for the house. I'm gonna show it to you guys. I got some frames, just a bunch of random stuff for the home. As I mentioned, I'm decluttering things. I'm just kind of trying to get rid of anything that, oh, that is a serious flame. Do you see that? Damn. I'm just trying to declutter things and redo things and finally get things done around the house that I've been like putting off, like, oh, I'll hang that in the den later, but I want to do it now. I want to get everything squared away before the wedding. Lots of gifts to be coming in, but also I just want to start off our lives together, even though we already live together, but whatever. I'm just trying to tidy up. I'm just trying to get rid of unwanted, useless crap, trying to sell some stuff. In the process of that, I'm trying to redo some things, which you'll see. So let's just get started. I don't even know where to start. Oh, we'll start here, which I already showed you guys on Instagram, which if you're not following me on Instagram, I'll put all my links somewhere, and then they'll be there in the end of this video. They'll also be in the down bar. You can always, it's just Amy Lynn Butchin across the board. Follow me everywhere. Anyway, I posted this on Instagram. This was a engagement party gift that Bradley's cousin, I'm not sure, he has a lot of family members, but her name is Katie and her dad Matt gave us this amazing customized cutting board. She ended up giving it to us at our like Sattler Christmas gathering, which was early this month. So I just received it and I love it so much. I'll show you a close-up, but it just says Bradley and Amy, Mr. and Mrs. Sattler, and then it says Simply Meant to Be, which is the last lyric from my favorite movie, The Nightmare Before Christmas. And it's just really nice and pretty. It's bamboo. She gave me like cleaning instructions with it as well. But it's just a really nice, fun gift. I definitely wouldn't have registered for that, but I love it so much. I got a lot of comments asking, are you gonna use it? I think I am gonna use it. It's too decorative right now to use it now, but I definitely see myself like serving some cheese and crackers on it or something, which she gave us like an entire basket of wine and cheese and crackers. So yeah, but you can use it as a cutting board. It does come with instructions how to clean it, but I love that. So thank you, Katie, if you're watching. I got some candles, which first of all, the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale started, and I want to thank you guys because I got floods of comments and tweets and Instagram DMs that this was back in stock. This is the Raspberry Peach Macaroon candle. It smells, speechless. This is one of my favorite candles ever, and they discontinued it and I was devastated. And I always said if they brought it back I was gonna buy like 4, so that's what I did. I bought 4. Should have bought more, but I figure like by the time I'm done burning through all 4, I'll be tired of it. But this is incredible. I have been burning it in the kitchen and I'm kind of doing it sparingly because although I have 4 of them, I don't want to run out of it too quick. But the description is, the ultimate French cookie is celebrated in a unique blend of ripe raspberries, juicy peach, and almond cream. It's heavenly. Yes, it's super sweet, but like, oh my god. Oh, you guys, you have no idea. If you've never smelled it, you need it, which now I think it's gone, so I apologize. But if they bring it back for the semi-annual sale again in June, and I'm still into it, I'll be buying 17, and you should too. And then I also actually picked this up over the holidays, but I haven't told you guys about it yet, so I'm telling you now. This, oh, it smells so good, is the Elizabeth and James White Nirvana Candle, which if you guys watch me, you know I love that perfume. I love that dry shampoo scent. And I saw this at Nordstrom Rack and it was half off. This is originally a $60 candle, so it was still $30, which is too much. Initially I was like, ugh, why am I spending this much money on it? It's not even that big, but it's always on Outlook and I've always put it in my cart, but the shipping and tax always brings it up to $40 and I'm like, that is way too much to spend on one candle. So I saw it at Nordstrom Rack without the $10 shipping and such, so I'm just gonna try it out. It smells incredible, so hopefully it smells that great when it's burning, but it's just like one of my favorite perfume scents and it's a super high-end candle, so I just want to try it out. This is kind of boring, but I went to Target yesterday. I had to stock up on soaps because we're running out of both. This one we already popped open. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. They're both that brand. This is the Honeysuckle scent and this is the Lavender scent. We always have the Lavender scent in the bathroom and then we usually have the Honeysuckle one in the kitchen. But it was like seasonal scents, so we had a couple of the seasonal scents over the holidays, but now we're back to this. These are our two faves and they're amazing. I'll link them down below. I'll link whatever I can find down below. Might be hard. It might be sparse, but I'll do my best. Before we move on to other like kitchen stuff, I'm gonna show you the frames I picked up in our living room. I have this amazing entertainment system that I love, that I've had for years. Hopefully Bradley likes it too, because I'm not getting rid of it, which I know he does, because it fits so much stuff, which that's another exciting thing. We have it hooked up to where you can play Nintendo 64, Super Nintendo, the original Wii, the Switch, or the PlayStation 4 at any moment. It's like all different buttons that he set up somehow, I don't know. But it's been hard to get things done, I'm not gonna lie. I've just been sitting there either playing Mario Odyssey or watching him play Mario Odyssey or watching him play Grand Theft Auto, which like is such a game. It's so weird, but now I'm like really into watching him play it. I don't actually want to play it myself. It's just been hard to get things done. Why did I go off on a video game tangent? Oh, because it's a part of my entertainment system. That has nothing to do with anything. On the top of the entertainment system, I've always had picture frames. I love photos, I love picture frames. I like to switch out the pictures a lot, and I'm looking above. I have 5 above the closet across from our bed. Like, I just love photos, and I think it's a fun way to personalize your home, make it feel warm. I know some people think it's cheesy, but like I totally love it. But I never really pay full price for a picture frame. I always get them at like TJ Maxx. HomeGoods is really where I get them. I almost wanted to say Majorly again. But the issue with that is they don't last forever, so a lot of my picture frames, like the back of them, this guy is like breaking and it like slides out, so I need to replace a lot of them. And also a lot of them are just like black and boring, and I wanted a little more color. When we got engaged, his parents gave us this blue picture frame that I really liked, and I just wanted to add in more color. So I went to HomeGoods with the intention of buying like 1, but I bought 5. And some of these might be a little too girly and Bradley might veto them, which is why I still have the receipt and all the tags are still on. But also just kind of decorating and picture frames in general is kind of girly. Get over it, Bradley. Whoa, crash. The first one, which I already asked him, I know he likes, is this kind of like seafoam green one. Just a normal 8x10. Was originally $12, got it for $8. And I just like that it's a big frame that adds some color, because all of our big frames right now are like black. So that'll be great. I also got this glittery one, which I love. Right now it has a thing in there that says feminist, but it's just kind of gold glitter. It's kind of subtle, so I feel like he won't mind. But again, another kind of colorful 8x10 that I'm excited to have like on either side. And then I have some little guys. This one is $6. It's just a nice pink salmon-y color, which I thought went nice with both of these actually. Like, I just thought the color palettes was good. This is probably one he might try to veto, but whatever. This one was just so pretty, and I don't know if it's gonna fit a full 4x6 in there, but we'll try. But I thought also it might be nice for like a wedding photo, or if I want to frame like the invitation or something like that. It's just a nice photo, and I could also hang it on the wall. And then last but not least, I'm not even sure if I need this or where I'm going to put it, but it was a little succulent and I had to have it. It's a 3x5, not a 4x6, so it might be a kind of a weird print, or a weird size to put a print in, but it was just really cute and I loved it, so I got it. I have a couple more random decorative pieces before I get to the Pioneer Woman kitchen stuff. My sister gave me this for Christmas and I'm obsessed. Actually, she gave me both of these. This I actually asked for because she was like, what's something you want for Christmas? And I just sent her the link to this. This is a little bowl from Disney. This is the Alice in Wonderland, I believe it's called mini bowl, or like the teacups mini bowl. I'm not sure. If you watched our Disney World haul, which I loved that haul and I love that video, I'll link it up there. I got a Mr. Toad bowl and they kind of have this series of like 4 mini bowls, and one of them kind of looks like the decorative lantern type things above the Mad Party teacups. And I just needed to have it. I don't think I'm going to use it as a bowl. I think I'm going to put a succulent in it and put it in my garden or somewhere in the house where a succulent would be okay. And I just love it so much. It's just so cute. So thanks, Katie. But then she was also asking me, she was sending me links for things for our mom, and she sent me this, and I was like, I freaking love that. I want one too. And so she got me one, and I was really excited. But it's a tea light holder. It's a pineapple, if you can't tell, like a gold wired pineapple. And you to get the tea light out, you twist it. Oh, there we go. You twist it, you put the tea light in, then you put it in, twist it, and then you light it. And it's just really cute. You could put a fake tea light in there too. Just a really nice decorative piece for like summer or for all year round if you're just super into pineapple. And then speaking of Christmas, I bought one of these for my mom and I loved it so much. It's this little Anthropologie vase. It's just kind of like black with pink roses with like little green stems coming off of it, and it's just so cute, and it was pretty moderately priced. And when I ordered it for her, they were having a 30% off sale and free shipping, and so I couldn't pass that up. I love it so much, and I haven't actually used it yet, so I need to buy myself some fresh flowers. I think some like white flowers coming out of here would be really, really pretty, but just regardless, I had to have it. It's just really cute. Now I have some kitchen stuff, which I actually just bought these the other day at Nordstrom Rack. I love silicone whisks, but I always buy them for pretty cheap and they don't last very long. Maybe I'll register for like a nice whisk. But I got these two. They're rainbow colored. They came in a set. One's a little bit smaller, one is ginormous. And yeah, I use whisks all the time when I'm baking or just random like marinade recipes. So they come in handy. I got both of them for $5, so you can't beat that. And it's just really, I love it. I just love the rainbow of it. They don't do very well in the dishwasher, so I try to remember to hand wash them, but every once in a while I'll accidentally throw them in, or Bradley will throw them in, but yeah. And then I have some Pioneer Woman stuff that my mom gave me for Christmas. First of all, it was a tea towel set. So there's this one that has, it's really cute actually. It reminds me of like a picnic, but like it's not the picnic print. I don't know. It's red and white, but then has like yellow trim at the bottom, which like somehow doesn't look like McDonald's. Like it's just really cute. And then there's this kind of like terry cloth material one with these flowers on it. This one would be better for like drying your hands, but they're just both really cute, and I'm gonna hang them. I always hang tea towels on my stove. I feel like most people do that. Or maybe they don't. I don't know. I do. And then my mom gave me these bowls that I wanted, but I can never find in store. So they're these two little bowls. I don't know what the, like, all the bowls have an exact name, and I'm not sure what these are. If I can find them down below, I will link them. But they're just kind of more shallow. Oh, you could make like a miniature pie. Oh my god, so cute. But she got me red with the flowers and then blue with the flowers, and they're just really cute. And Bradley's told me I'm not allowed to have any more small bowls, but can't help it. But okay guys, that is it for the home haul. Need to stop buying things for the home. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more home organization kind of types of videos, I will link my playlist up there. But yeah, please again leave me registration comments. Recommendations is the word I was looking for. But yeah, I love you guys. I will see you again very soon in a new video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I'll have my little face right up there, some videos and playlists you can click and watch down here, and then my social media stuff up in that corner. So I love you guys. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.